When you look at Industry 4.0, there are two aspects come to my mind. The first one is automation, and the second one is digitization. So if you look at India, especially in the high volume manufacturing, the automation is something which has been picked up already for some time. And it is like really automating the line and having some of the manufacturing process automated, etc. But if you look at the digitization, now that is changing the whole scenario to a great extent. And digitization starts from the beginning, where you even build the factory or the line. So now we have digital tool to really visualize how the factory looks like, how the line looks like, how the process flow looks like, etc. So that's where it all starts. So that if you now look from a technology perspective, these are the digital simulation technologies, as well as connectivity and sensors, because you need to have sensors and connectivity technologies to really get the data back to your system, where you can do the processing, etc. So for the skills, let's look at different players in this whole scenario. One is the R&D, the product development people who sort of design the products. So they really need to look at how it is manufactured, because at the end you can have a great product, but if you are not able to manufacture efficiently, you will not get the benefits. The second one is the manufacturing engineers or the process engineers who really design the manufacturing setup. It's not anymore paper and pen or the drawings to really create the layout. So they need to skill on how to translate the traditional knowledge and use digital tool to visualize it and have upfront discussions, because now it's not anymore having something on a traditional tools and then you check it, but you have a digital tool where you can even see the dynamic aspect of the factory. And also for the plant managers or the people who are managing, they also need to be aware what actually efficiency you can gain and also what wastages you can remove. And for the technicians, it's important for them to really see how do they look at the manuals digitally, how are they skilled to operate automated machines. In my view, it's a true blend of what do you need versus what the technology can provide you. So as a business leader, we shouldn't just go with the technology and say that okay, technology provides everything, so let me go after it. So metaverse is great, but is it required for your own business context? And that's the assessment as a business leader need to do. Right? So really blend the need of the business with what technology can provide. The true innovation becomes reality once you are able to manufacture it in a mass scale. Right? So that is also where digitization can really provide a lot of benefits. So one of the things which is happening in some of the industries, really blending the digital design model with the manufacturing model. What I mean with that is, see, you have a product out in the market, and if you are able to blend both sides, the digital model in the design side as well as the digital model based on the manufacturing data, and next generation product, the design changes you can already validate from a production point of view. So your manufacturing, you are actually the time to market goes very, very less in that case. So there are examples from the medical industry or even aerospace industry or wind turbine industry where you have a digital replica of your product in the enterprise where you are able to monitor the performance of the product, understand the wear out of it, and based on it you can really predict what's going to happen after a few hours or few days. Right? So with that, actually you can schedule preventive maintenance, and sometimes you can even do maintenance by itself. And this is then further optimized based on the AI and machine language running in the background in the enterprise. So you are continuously learning your digital replica, and the digital twin is then telling the actual product, okay, this is what you can do now based on what the physical product has.